Hello guys, so welcome and welcome back to Python Basics. So this part we are going to deal on installation. So for you to use Python, you have to install it in your computer or your laptop. So, but there's an ID called Donny. You can prefer to use it, but basically for me, I'm not going to use it. So when you install Donny, you don't have to install Python to your computer. It only comes with the Python pre-installed in it. The latest Python would be when you download Doni, you just search Doni from your browser. So you come here, download according to the OS you are using. So when you download Doni and install it, you don't have to install Python separately because Doni comes with Python pre-installed in it. But that will not be part of me. I'm not going to use Doni. So I would prefer installing Python in my own, in my computer. Then I can download the code editor separately. Then I can start off my journey. So first thing first, we are going to search Python from our browser, Google search or the browser search. So we are going to search Python. So of course the first link that appears will be welcome to python.org. So you go to downloads. So you're going to download the latest version of Python for your OS. So you will download if you're using Windows, Linux, Mac OS, then you can click on any of the link here. But for my case, I'm using Python. I'm using Windows only. So we go on, you download. Okay, basically I've already downloaded. So when you finish downloading, you just click on the link already downloaded. It's, so when you finish downloading, you can open the setup. So this is how you're going to do it. So basically for me, it's saying modify, repair, or uninstall. So for you, it will say install now. And on the part that will be on the part that you're installing, ensure you tick on where it says that you add Python to the path because adding Python to the path will help you on when running Python from your command prompt. So when you click install now and tick on the path, it will be around here. Pick add Python to the path, then you can go next and install. So when you're done installing, you can confirm whether Python was installed successfully on your command from your command prompt. So open your command prompt, come in here and type Python. It's going to print the version of the Python that you installed in your computer. You can see mine is 3.11. Okay, I have 3.12. I have the two versions. The latest one that I just showed you from here, this one, and the one leading here. So, but basically, you can go on with whatever you have just installed. It will just run the same. Basically, the updates are always on the securities, and just the basic simple changes on security. So, when you if when you run when you type in Python here on your command prompt, it says that the command cannot be found or whatever. That means the Python wasn't added to the path on your computer. So you can go to your search on your computer and type in path. So you are going to edit the system environment variables. So you come here on environment variables. Here you click on. So you can come here, add the path on where you installed Python. You can see mines are already listed here. I have the Python 310 and 312. So you can just typically search from this path. This is where Python was installed. So go to app data from your user, go to app data, local, programs, Python. You can just pause the video and copy this path. Then just change the username with your username, and the Python will be pre-installed with the path will be installed on the path. But basically when you're installing Python, ensure you tick on where on add path so you don't have to follow this long process. So when you're done, you can just click OK, OK, and you're done. Now you can test your Python from your command prompt.